Why was General Grievous always coughing? You'd think a deadly cyborg general would be unstoppable, but that cough, it wasn't a glitch. It was actually Mace Windu who crushed Grievous's chest with the Force. This happened in the 2005 Clone Wars series. Grievous was once a warrior named Kaimane Jai Shalal, turned into a war machine by Count Dooku and the Separatists. A warrior turned into a weapon, left to suffer with every breath. Was he really the villain, or just another victim of war? Comment what you think.